We made it! Grabe! All the hard work paid off! Hindi ko alam ba't ako naiyak, pero that was one of the hardest things na ginawa ko. Alright, run almost done. So summary, was able to hit my target marathon pace at a desirable heart rate around low zone 4. So my legs are still a bit heavy kasi nag-needle ako kahapon at kg recovery and mayo. So ayun, feeling more confident that I'll be able to perform well at the race. So yun guys, let's go.
Hi guys, so we're packing na kasi tomorrow maaga yung flight namin. I just wanted to show this Nutrition Depot package. I ordered some stuff na dadali namin for Germany. Ayun, so I'll just unbox this and I'll show you what products I got for this month. Actually, hindi naman ito yung lahat talaga kasi I still have stocks pa naman from last time's pull out. I got gels here, extra gels kasi kulang na. So I really like Nutrition Depot products kasi they're third-party lab tested and we're really sure na legit yung products nila. And they have one of the best brands na ini-import. So as mentioned, ito yung I got the energy gels. So my go-to gel for my races is Yuma gels. So I'll just show you yung mga different flavors na kinuha ko. Right. So I got 3 flavors. So I got 5 flavors of the blackberry banana. Yeah, double electrolytes. And then I also got the chocolate double mocha flavor. And the chocolate flavor, double mocha, and chocolate peanut butter. I won't be using all of these. Extra lang yung iba. So I'll probably be bringing 7 gels on race day. And then, yeah, I need to replenish my whey protein. So my favorite flavor is vanilla caramel whey protein isolate. And I also been using micellar casein protein powder. So it's just the same. It just is a slower digesting protein, but it's technically the same quality as whey protein isolate. So okay siya for shakes, or I use this rice pudding and oats para thicker yung consistency. It's more filling.
Connecting flight.
Yeah. We have like how many hours, babe?
1 hour. 1 hour.
Okay, but before the departure. Diba?
Less than an hour.
Yeah. You gotta walk fast.
Alright guys. So we just landed in Doha, Qatar. So we're transferring na to our next flight. We're in a rush lang kasi less than an hour before our next flight kasi na-delay. Alright guys, so finally we got our luggages na. So we have finally arrived here at Berlin. So we're booking an Uber na. So 30 minutes away yung hotel namin. And it's super tiring yung flight. Nagka-delay. It's already 10 p.m. here. So Philippine time nasa 3 a.m. 3 or 4 a.m. midnight. Hopefully, di ma-jet lag. We're just happy na we landed safely, we arrived safely. Alright guys, first day here in Berlin. So we just arrived sa hotel. Quick room tour lang. We're happy na maluwag yung space sa room. Kasi yung sa Japan, sobrang limited ng space. So yeah, Yan, may ref. It's our bed. We're happy with the space. Hi guys, good morning. So it's day 1 technically kasi last night we arrived pero super late na. We woke up early. We were able to sleep around 5 to 6 hours. Pero yeah, we're hungry na and we're looking for food. Ang plan namin is to go back to the same place as last night meron. Pero if not, maghanap na kami within the area and then we're gonna do some groceries. Ayun, the main plan for today is to get my race bib. So punta kami sa expo. So today is Friday, 2 days before the race. Yeah, excited. And then I'm gonna do an easy run later, 8K after. Pero prioritize muna namin yung bib claiming. Ayan, so here's the view guys. It's a bit gloomy though yung weather. And then the temperature is around 16 degrees Celsius. Super nice place. Oh, may train sila sa gitna ng road. Tram. They call it the tram. So, we found a McDo place and mukhang okay naman options nila. So, dito na lang kami for breakfast. Taste test.
What is it? Just scrambled eggs.
Scrambled egg, a bit of veggies, and plain lang. May coffee. So, first train ride, going to the expo.
No, not yet. Going to a cafe.
Going to, to the cafe while waiting. Kasi 10 a.m. open ng expo. Alright guys, so we're falling in line already. So ito yung line.
I need to turn them all into tank tops.
Hey, we're having lunch. We got Asia gourmet, so chicken and rice. A bit of veggies. Good morning guys. So today is one day out till race day. So time check, it's 5 a.m. and I'm making my first food or carb load meal. So share ko lang. It's white rice, oats, and then I added salt, sweetener, and then I'll combine this half scoop of whey protein to this bowl. So around 70 grams of carbs to. I probably add this syrup. So I bought this dito. I first time ko malaman na there's a date syrup pala instead of honey. So it tastes good. Hi guys, we're at the Adidas takeout run. So ganda ng vibes here. May talk ongoing there pero quick lang kami. Time check, it's 12. Adidas is one of the main sponsors for the Berlin Marathon. So this is a big event. Hi guys, this might be a wrap up na for today kasi quick day lang to. Medyo boring lang kasi I'm focusing on resting para fresh legs for tomorrow. So yung as you can see yung sa vlog kanina, I woke up and started my carb load na. And after, I did some client work pala, client check-ins for about 4 hours. And then after that, pumunta na kami sa run na, check-out run, and then Adidas. After that, we went home quickly to freshen up. And also, I ate my meals. And then, after that, we went to the donor place kasi Morgan's ka na. Yun yung go-to talaga niya. Meal, super sarap. Kasi we just found out na it it's one of the few kebab or doner places na ano talaga, legit and masarap talaga. I've talked to a local. And then, ayun, pauwi na ulit sa hotel. And I'm not sure if what I'm gonna do pa after this. Pero I'll try to sleep early. Yan, and finish off my carb loading.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys.
How are you feeling?
Feeling excited. So it's 4 hours away from the big day. And so I'm starting to prepare my breakfast. So my goal is to consume at least 100 grams of carbs 2 to 3 hours before the race, and then I'll top up with a quick carb source 15 minutes before. So I'll consume scratch gels. While waiting for my rice to cook, I'll prepare my pre-workout drink, which is mainly caffeine and beetroot. So I'm using the Fib pre-workout from Nutrition Depot and beetroot. I'll also add salt for additional sodium since the race will be hotter this time compared to previous years. So this is my pre-race meal. So 200 grams of chicken, 200 grams of cooked rice, and 1 serving of chicken from Haydon. Ready-to-eat chicken breast. It's 20 grams of protein, and then I like adding banana for fructose. Good morning, guys. So it's race day. We're walking now to the starting line. So time check, it's around 7:20 a.m. So 2 hours before the gun start. Temperature check, it's around 19 degrees. Medyo malamig pa ngayon kasi walang sun. Pero it's, for me, the perfect weather for race day. Ayun, and we're lucky na yung place namin or yung hotel is just 1 km away. And we're walking here. I feel good. I well rested ako. I was able to get 8 hours of sleep, ate my meals, at least 100 grams of carbs. Ayun, hindi ako in a rush lahat. So very relaxed morning. Job's done. All I gotta do is cross that finish line. Most importantly, whether mahit ko yung 3 hour 30 goal or not, na-enjoy ko yung race. And I gave it my best. Yan. Shout out to the YP for helping me. Evie. Alright guys, so I'm walking towards the start line, very near na, around 5-minute walk. As you can see, very crowded. People are starting to walk now towards to our wave. It's better to be early than panic later, kasi I want to be at the front of my wave, so less distraction when I run. And let's do this, guys. Do this. You can do this. Let's go. 1 minute to go. Let's go. 5-kilometer mark on pace at 4:55. Let's go. 5K 4:52. 10K 4:55. 15K 4:50. Vamos! Woo! Last 400 meters. 4:52. Sub 3:30. Woo! Woo! Sub 3:30. Woo! Sub 3:30. Thank you, Garmin. Thank you, Adidas. Nutrition Depot, KG. Rev. Woo! We did it, guys. We did it. Project Flex. Let's go. Woo! We made it. Grabe. All the hard work paid off. Oh, grabe. Guys, this is my 3rd world major. Fastest marathon. We're never gonna stop. Thank you, guys. If you watch till the end of this video, thank you. Shout out Garmin PH, Adidas, Nutrition Depot, KG Recovery, Rev, and every one of you who's following this journey. I appreciate you. I promise to keep grinding and defying the norm. Okay, work hard for this. Kaya dapat ako naiiyak, pero grabe ang hirap, guys. Last 4K, sobrang hirap. Okay, hindi ko alam ba't ako naiiyak, pero that was one of the hardest things na ginawa ko. All I was thinking was parang I have the whole day to rest. Fucking sobrang last 4K talaga, sobrang sakit na ng legs ko. I was about to grab, pero sabi ko, bahala na. I need to push it. Ngayon lang to. I don't know guys, hindi naman sa sa time, but nag-sink in lahat ng efforts ko throughout this training. I gave it my all. I ran every day. I ran my highest mileage ever. And it pays off. I dialed in my nutrition. Every fucking day. I was not emotional throughout the race, pero after I got this medal, fuck. Grabe. Naiyak ako. Anyway, yeah, guys, good vibes lang tayo. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Fucking we made it. This is only the beginning. We're having dinner, post-marathon dinner. So I'm having beef ragu, beer, non-alcoholic beer, and then lasagna. Super near lang sa condo. Ay, sa condo. Sa hotel, 100 meters lang.
Hey, how's your food, babe?
Taste test.
Yummy? Not that sweet, no?
Okay siya.
Really?
Pero hindi ko alam paano i-review, pero masarap siya.
Lahat masarap after marathon eh.
Oo.
Yay!
Finally guys, after hours of traveling, walang aircon on most of the time. Ang lala!
Walk from Coach 25.
Yan yung train. Oh my god guys.
Never good.
Anyway, thank you Lord. We are finally at the hotel. We're checking in. So it's around 6:30 PM now. So here's the place. Sobrang cool. Cool ng hotel. Hi guys, so room tour. Sobrang trippy ng hotel. The lights. So, okay yung space. That's the most important part. And yeah, quick tour lang. Yan. And then here's the bathroom. Yeah. I'll show you yung labas. Sobrang trippy talaga. Yeah. Look at the outside. I'm not sure if parang halata siya dito sa or kita siya sa video, pero ganyan. Hey, we're here. Greek Embassy. Our dinner. Meron pa ba tayo? Wala na. Yung dessert na lang. Protein, chicken breast. And what's this, babe? Sa eggplant, no? Ooh.
So instead of lasagna, instead of pasta.
So guys, it's my first gym post-marathon. Ito yung gym ng hotel. Oops. Day 2 here at Amsterdam. So dito kami sa market. They call it their market. Kanina quick doner kami for lunch, and we're still nag-half lang kami dun, and we're still finding for one more meal. Share ulit kami para marami kaming matry. If you know, you know. Oh, so this was supposed to make us laugh lang. So 3 to 4 daw. Exciting. Hindi, ano ka na? 3 to 4 na. Hi guys, so we're here at the canal tour in Amsterdam. So, yung view. Yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the 1-hour ride.
So call this name.
Ganda guys.
Sailors who came to Amsterdam. Go to the bar, drink. Go to the Ladies of Pleasure, sit. Go to the church next door, pay for indulgence, and let the sins disappear.
So we just got off the boat, tapos dito kami sa famous fries place.
Here you go.
Taste this. Wait.
So that's parmesan and truffle.
Mmm. Yeah. So, our last dinner here in Europe. No? Last dinner. So, we ordered steak, tapos salad, and then sweet potato fries. So, ito yung ni-recommend sa amin ng hotel receptionist. So, it's just near our hotel. Taste test. Yeah, we're gonna eat. First run, post-marathon. Woo! Sobrang lamig, guys. Ilang degrees, babe?
6.
Oh, 6. Grabe. A triple layer na ako. Feel ko pa rin yung lamig. So, you wanted to try this chicken place. Yeah. Ano daw eh. The best chicken in Amsterdam. Last stop for this run, waffles. Stroop waffles. So, yan yung delicacy nila dito, guys. Stroop waffles. Favorite ni Morgan. Stroop waffles. Someone's happy. Taste test. Hi guys, so we're on our way to the airport. So sadly, tapos na ang Europe trip. Time check, it's 12:30. Our flight is at 4. A 20-minute ride lang naman going to the airport. Dumiretso na kami after checking out sa hotel. And we're just gonna spend the rest of the time there. Mag-work, client programs. And here's the view. Actually, not bad yung Uber nila dito. It cost us 37 euros going to the airport. Around 30-minute na ride. Hi guys, so in 30 minutes, we're boarding already. So time check, it's 2:40 p.m. in Amsterdam time.